Hey, it's me Rashad. I get ready for the office. Let's learn. And this is the third part of our crochet tutorial series for the beginners. And in the part one, we discussed slip knot and chain, how to make the chains. And in the part two, we discussed how to make a single crochet. So if you have watched that video and if you have practiced well, this video is for you. Today, we are going to learn how to do a double crochet. So I want you to make 15 chains. This is how you make a slip knot, and that's how you make chain. If you haven't watched that video yet, kindly watch it and come back to this video. I want you to make 15 chains. 14 and 15. Now we need to insert our hook on the third chain from the hook. Third chain from the hook. So yarn over and 1, 2, 3. Pull through the loop, yarn over again and pull that yarn through that loop. Now you have 3 loops remaining on your hook. Again yarn over and pull through 2 loops only. Then again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That's your first double crochet. Now going forward to the next stitch, over and pull through the next loop, yarn over again and pull through that loop. Again you got 3 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. I want you to make double crochet in every chain till the end. I'll be doing that and I will meet you after reaching here. Here is my last double crochet. Yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now when it comes to doing a project, we need to the second row, right? So before going second row, always add an extra chain so that we will get a proper shape over here, or else it will be like a zigzag shape. Now we need to yarn over again and pull through this loop, yarn over, again yarn over, pull through this, yarn over. I will show you how I'm doing on a real project. This is just for the tutorial. Here I'm doing a project. I'm making a shirt. So when it comes to doing this stitch on a real project, we'll be adding, in sometimes we'll be adding chains and sometimes we'll be increasing chains and all. Don't worry, I will teach you that later. Here how I am using this double crochet, real example is yarn over and pull through the loop. That is a double crochet, right? Again yarn over and pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. I have used double crochet for this project. If you know this stitch, you are becoming a pro. Double crochet will give you a more airy space comparing to the single crochet. You guys have practiced single crochet, right, in the last videos. So double crochet, comparing to that, a double crochet will be more airy. Okay, I'm ready. That's for the day. Keep practicing. I will be coming with another crochet stitch in another video. Till then, bye bye.